एक ज़बरदस्त and easy recipe for cough and flu. Ingredients हैं ginger. It boosts immunity, increases circulation, and it's excellent for cough, cold, runny nose, asthma, and nausea. Fennel, saunf. It flushes out the toxins and reduces inflammation. It also helps to clear mucus in the body. And the queen of spices, cardamom, choti elaichi. It's great in reducing respiratory issues and promotes cardiovascular health. And kya hi baat hai, star anise helps clear mucus, congestion, excellent remedy for bronchitis, and it also has a very, very calming effect. और हमारा key ingredient है Melathi. It soothes the sore throat, it clears mucus, reduces cough, and helps with bronchitis and asthma. Don't forget it. अब बनाना इसको इस तरह है, 2 कप पानी में 1/4 टीस्पून आपने सारी चीज़ें डालनी है. की बात यह है, इसको लो फ्लेम पर ब्रू करना है, हाई पर नहीं, और आपका मज़ेदार सा कावा तैयार होगा. कई लोग इसमें हनी भी डालते हैं, ज़रूर डालें, बट ल्यूकवार्म में डालें, हॉट में नहीं. Enjoy the kava and get